Most people get this wrong. They think all DeFi platforms work the same, but Beefy Finance has some unique features that can change the way you earn yield on your crypto. Today, I'm sharing my full experience using it so you know what to expect. Beefy Finance is a decentralized finance platform that lets users earn yield by depositing their crypto into smart vaults. These vaults automatically optimize your yield by reinvesting profits, a process called compounding. This means your returns can grow faster than if you were manually staking or farming. Using Beefy is surprisingly simple. You connect a supported wallet, like MetaMask, select a vault for the crypto you hold, and deposit. The interface shows the expected annual percentage yield, or PI, so you can compare different vaults easily. During my usage, I noticed that some vaults had APYs exceeding 50%, though high returns also come with higher risks. One surprising truth about Beefy Finance is its multi-chain support. It's not limited to Ethereum. You can also use Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and more. This flexibility allows you to diversify your holdings and take advantage of different ecosystems. However, there are risks. Since it's a DeFi platform, your funds rely on smart contracts, which could have bugs or vulnerabilities. Vaults with extremely high APYs often carry more risk, including impermanent loss or token volatility. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Beefy Finance is an excellent tool for crypto users who want automated yield optimization and multi-chain opportunities. If you're comfortable with DeFi risks and want a hands-off way to grow your crypto, it's worth exploring. Just remember, high rewards always come with high risk. Subscribe for more honest DeFi platform reviews and tips to maximize your crypto earnings safely.